before we start this trail, I'm gonna do a quick walk around because I'm not sure if I've already uploaded the video explaining every mod that I recently put on the car. So if you look at this, you probably can tell a little bit of a difference from the last videos. So I've got the Z06 style spoiler here for the downforce, which I'm running trails. I feel it. My braking is a lot better. My corners are a lot smoother now, as well as this tail lights here. So these tail lights are just for looks. They look pretty good, especially at night when I am I've seen somebody drive my car at night, and the way it just looks are great. During the day they look more just like dark, and you can't really tell what's going on there, which makes, I mean, I like them because it makes the body of the car looks a little more popping. You want to get closer and see what's going on there. But I think those taillights from here are a pretty good choice. I still have the stock taillights at home, so if I do want to change them out, I can. And also I have side skirts on this car. So right here you can see them. So they're not as great a material as I would hope it to be, but they're held pretty strong. I had an incident sometime this month and they held up pretty great, but I wish they were a stronger material just for, you know, future purposes. And then I have this front splitter on as well, and as well as this wiglet, so it just makes the car come together. So now I have that good Z06 style car going on with the Stingray. I think I'm gonna end up pro charging this car. As far as engine mods, I don't know yet, I'm not sure, but we're gonna see about that one. But the car body looks pretty good right now. So I'm also looking at getting some new wheels for this car. I'm thinking about something chrome or something bronze that kind of goes with the color, this gray color, because I do not want to wrap this car. That's just too expensive and just too much bullshit, because I run trails and these trails are pretty shitty down in the south, a lot of rocks, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna get fucked up pretty easily, the wrap, or I have to paint the car. And once I paint the car, I feel like I might not make a good choice of color for the car, so it's gonna be pretty annoying. But I'm gonna leave this car with the gray color. I actually like this color as well, so I'm gonna leave this color on. But probably gonna be looking at a pro charger sometime in the future, which is a lot of money. It's about 6 grand a piece for the kit itself, and the installation and everything else, I don't know about that yet, but it's about 12 grand in total if you're looking at doing this pro charger kit. So it's gonna be a while before we put that on. But the car does look like it's come together for right now, at least. It's where I want the car to be. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, anything that you think I should add or take out, and I will consider it and see if it's worth it or not. So we're gonna go down this trail. Oh shit, it's a Shelby. I'm guessing it's going down the trail too, so we're gonna try to catch up to him and see if he wants to have some fun.
So I just finished running that trail and it was pretty fun. I drifted a lot more than I thought I would. I know I was gonna drift a little bit because I have been running this trail for about 4 days back to back now, and I'm not gonna come to the trail for a while, so I was like, why not just have a little more fun on it? But I drifted the trail a lot more because I was comfortable with it. I know every corner like the back of my hand. I could carve that trail in my sleep basically. So I didn't even know that until I ran this trail, and I was just like, wow, okay, I could drift this corners because I know exactly where it ends, how this corners goes. So there are some actually pretty good driftable corners that I did not see before, but I guess I ran this trail so much that it just got easier, I guess. So I'm gonna be going to different trails, and I'll see you guys in those videos. Until then, you guys drive safe, and see you guys then. Peace out.